if we want to stretch the front of the thigh, the rectus femoris, the quad muscle here, as well as the psoas muscle, the deep hip flexor, we're going to start in a kneeling position here. Untuck your back toes if that's comfortable for your knee. And then from there, you're going to start to shift your body weight forward until you feel a little bit of a stretch through the front of the thigh. You can increase it by coming up into a little bit of extension, so spinal extension from here. And then if this still isn't enough stretch, reach your right arm up and twist over to your left. So you should feel a stretch everywhere from the deep lumbar spine here all the way down into the front inner thigh here.